Happy Telling Tuesday! I hope you've been having a fabulous day. I am about to head out to a church activity where we are celebrating the power of strong women. And so we're all dressing up as Rosie the Riveter. So this is my attempt at personifying Rosie the Riveter. But I have a story to tell you. This is one that I've really enjoyed telling at some different schools throughout the last little while. And it's just a short, sweet fable. Bat. Well, life felt pretty hard for Bat sometimes. He didn't quite know where he fit in. But sometimes he was able to use that to his advantage. One day, Bat was flying through the air and he hit a tree. And he fell down into the hole of a weasel. Now this weasel saw that Bat floundering around in his hole and he said, "I love mice. I eat every mouse that comes in my path." Well, the Bat looked at the weasel and said, "I'm very sorry, weasel, but I am not a mouse. Do mice have wings? Of course not. I am a bird." "Ah, shucks," said the weasel. And he let that creature, who happened to be Bat, fly off into the night. It wasn't but a few days later when poor Bat was flying again, and he hit his head on a branch and went falling down and happened into another weasel's hole. This weasel said, "Oh, ho, 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 ho! I love birds. Birds are my enemy. I eat every bird." Bat looked straight at that weasel and said, "Well, I'm sorry, weasel. I am not a bird. Birds have feathers, and do you see a single feather upon me? I am a mouse. Down with cats!" And so that weasel, that bird enemy, said, "Rats, I'll have to let you go." And Bat went once again flying free off into the night. Thankfully, even though Bat wasn't quite sure where he belonged, he was quick thinking and could get himself out of sticky situations. I hope if you find yourself in any sticky situations this week, you can get yourself out of them. Be a quick thinker, just like Bat. I hope you have a fabulous day.